For our 8th question, kamay sa palad. Okay, there you go. Okay, first 8th question. It is the opposition to change resulting from self-interest, misunderstanding, or a general intolerance for change. Miss Teresa.
Forced change?
Forced change is wrong. More answer. Miss Regina.
Resistance to change?
Resistant to change is correct. Step forward, Miss Regina. Okay. Two more correct answer for Miss Regina. Makukuha na niya ang jackpot. Na isang showcase. There you go. Let's continue. For our 9th question, hawak sa mata. Dalawang mata. Okay, there you go. For our 9th question, according to Mr. Blanc, managing organizational change is a basic process of unfreezing change, intervention of freezing. Miss Teresa.
Kurt Lewin.
Excuse me?
Kurt Lewin.
Kurt Lewin is correct. Step forward. For 10th question, hawak sa ila. Exact. For that 10th question will be, it is a kind of departmentalization wherein work and workers are separately based on the particular kinds of customers. Miss Teresa.
Customer departmentalization?
Customer departmentalization, excuse me, is correct. Step forward. For our 11th question will be, this is a job composed of small part of larger task or process.
Me.
Miss Clarissa.
Geographic departmentalization?
No. Miss Teresa.
Job specialization?
Job specialization is correct. Step forward. Habol, Miss Teresa. Okay, first 12th question. Hawak sa buho. Dulo ng buho. Okay, there you go. For a 12th question, it is organizing work and workers into a separate responsible for doing business, in particular geographic areas. Miss Teresa.
Sure niya to. Geographic departmentalization.
Geographic departmentalization is correct. Step 4. Tayong lahat, kitang-kita ang mga mayayaman, tayo. Magkakatalo tayo dyan kung sino madadagdagan ng yaman. Go on with our 13th question. And for our 13th question is, it is a feeling of interesting motivation. Miss Regina?
Empowerment.
Empowerment is correct. Step forward. One more correct answer will be take the grand prize of a showcase. Okay. For our 14th question, hawak sa leeg. Sa kaninang sarili. Mga mayayaman tayo. Okay, there you go. 14th question will be, all remaining business activities to outside companies, suppliers, specialists, or consultants. Miss Clarissa.
Modular organization.
Modular organization is correct. Step forward. Okay, for our last question. Let's see kung magkakaroon tayo ng... meron naman tayo. Tingnan lang natin kung who among them ang mag-uuwi ng isang grand prize na share points. Okay, for our 15th question. Hawak sa bibig. Sa likod ng bibig. Means back. There you go! Matalino ka, Miss Lee. Okay, for our 15th question will be, it is a part of a network in which money companies share skills, costs, capabilities, markets, and customers with each other. Miss Regina, for our final
Panalo na ako nito. Virtual organization.
virtual organization is correct. Okay, congratulations, Miss Regina. You won the grand prize.
Mo na?
Okay, ang nanalo po sa management game ka na ba ay si Miss Regina Garay. Okay. Miss Regina,
Libre naman dyan!
mayaman ka na. May bala ka bang ipamigay ito?
Actually, may charity ako.
Balik
Galay
naman yun,
Foundation. Charity. Yun. So, yung mapapanalunan ko dito, dodonate ko lahat yun.
Okay. There you go. And Falcon Time will come back.
Kamusta naman yung pag-apply mo?
Nag-apply ako sa bagong work.
Oh.
6 kaming nag-apply. 5 lang kinuha. Pang-6 ako.
Ano? Oh,
Bakit ganun?
maglakad ka muna. Ano bang tinanong sa'yo?
Innovation change.
Anong sabi nito? Ang innovation, diba, is implementing of creative ideas. Lalo na ang change. Ito ay isang pagbabago sa isang organization. Diba?
Tama!
Sabi ko sa'yo eh!
Okay, muling nagbabalik ang number 1 eating show ng bayan, ang Patantan! Okay, partner?
So, ang next game natin ay Management Pinoy Henyo. At ang maglalaro dito ay puro taga-Adamson, pero iba-iba
Oh,
sila
ang
ng...
mga taga-Adamson pala maglalaro dito ngayon.
Pero iba-iba sila ng, major.
Ang una maglalaro natin ay isang galing major, partner.
Marketing management.
So, pakilala na natin sila.
Sige.
Let us all welcome Miss Clarissa Palma and Real Fabian. Ang sayo nyo. Oh, anong year na kayo?
Ako po, second year.
Ikaw?
Third year po.
Mga
Grabe.
ano ah?
Onting year na lang, no?
Okay. May cheer ba kayo?
Meron!
Eh, pakita na natin yan.
Sige,
Huwag na
pakita
tayo magsaya
na.
ng oras. Go!
1, 2, 3, 4. Boom! Shakala! Boom! Shakala! Boom! Shakala! Shakala! Bakla!
Magagaling niya. Mga bakla talagang mga dating.
Galing, ah.
So,
Bunot na.
Bunot na. Okay, number 1, ikaw ang maghula.
At ikaw naman yung, magsasabi ng yes, oo. Ay, oo. Pwede.
Okay. Maganda tong hulaan. 2 minutes lang ang... Tingin ka sa ano? Yan. 2 minutes lang ang time nyo, ha? Pag may iba ka sinagot, minus 3 seconds yan. Okay, timer starts now.
Under innovation and change,
Hindi.
organization.
Hindi din.
Basta about business.
Oo.
Organizational authority.
Hindi.
Other departmentalization.
Oo.
Oh my gosh.
Aba.
First, second.
Hindi.
Matrix.
Hindi.
Authority departmentalization.
Hindi.
Job enlargement.
Hindi.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, malakas
first,
yan. Kaya niyan.
Functional departmentalization.
Oo.
Okay, stop the timer.
Tama sila, tama. Galing.
Medyo mabilis kayo, ha? Nag-practice talaga kayo.
Ha?
Mukhang nag-practice na nag-practice.
Halata. Magaling kami natutunan.
Hey, mukhang nakikinig talaga kayo sa management subject nyo, ha?
Sa pagbabalik natin ang maglalaro naman is another, pero sa...
Ibang major.
Oo, pero sa Adamson pa rin.
Anong major naman yan, partner?
Customs.
Okay, custom. So, we'll be right back.
Nagbabalik ang...
Falcon Time!
Grabe, nakaka-stress talaga sa work. Sakit ang ulo ko.
Oh, ano ginagawa mo dyan?
Sakit ang ulo ko Parang ayaw ko pumasok bukas. Ang dami kasi trabaho.
Eh, di ba bukas na report mo?
Oo nga
Presentation mo?
Kasi yung boss mo, may ginagawa pang dagdag na trabaho, job rotation. Tapos, binigay sa akin yung bagong report, tas mali pala. Eh, di nagkaroon pa ng re-engine